We're home. Cobalt, get up. Come on, guys, get up. Ooh, what? We're home. Yay. 4 more minutes. Hey, I'm gonna go for a walk. Is that alright, Cobalt? Sure. Try waking up some of the other guys. Okay. Get up, everyone! She was thinking of how her life had been changed. First she finds out she's gonna be the next goddess of weather. Then she finds out her family and her herd has been taken by the Great Evil One. Then she finds out the Great Evil One has her daughter. Her life has changed so much. After she known she'd become the next goddess of weather. My life has changed so much. I think this is sort of like what happened to Cobalt and his dad and my mom. Well, his mom. My mom-in-law. I don't even really know the story. Perhaps Cobalt could tell me. I don't know a thing about it. Oh well. Wait up, Cobalt!